The 7th Yangqun Global Symposium concludes on April 18th in Boao, South China's Hainan province, with the theme of humanity, cartographies of collaboration. This year's symposium is aimed at exploring global issues from an interdisciplinary perspective and providing young leaders with a deeper and more comprehensive understanding of global challenges and opportunities, so as to jointly chart a new blueprint for exchanges and cooperation between China and the other countries.
I think forums like these are a really great opportunity for young people to share their own thoughts, share their own research. And so it's an incredible way to see what they're thinking about the pressing issues that the world faces now.
Okay, what I have gained from this forum is, in one word, I would say inclusion, because like the team says, humanity. This way we begin to understand that everybody is included, everybody's voice is needed. So I believe that after this forum, I would also want to participate in more forums to give my own suggestion in global issues.
Seeing a beautiful place like this, and that makes you think about China's development. It makes me think as well on how industrial policy is pursued in China, and with consideration as well of the broader picture.
I think the most insightful moment, the highlight of the philosophy lecture, was the idea of 天下, because I think as a young people who live in a global village, we should try to connect to each other. We should try to build more bridges, to build more friendship, and resolve conflicts. So I think that the idea of 天下, the 人民与共同体, and the global civilization initiative is extremely important.
So I take part in the different panels related to international politics and diplomacy, such as China modernization. I think it's a really unique model, and it's a really unique part towards civilization and modernization that Vietnam can also learn a lot from. So that's why I really like it.